Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hello, friends. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today we have a fun topic, how to book a hotel room in English.
Yes, booking a hotel is important when you travel.
And don't worry, we will make it simple and easy.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button.
Yes, it really helps us, and it's free.
Okay, let's imagine you are at a hotel and want a room.
Sounds exciting. Let's go step by step.
First, you need to greet the hotel staff.
For example, hello, I would like to book a room.
Let's practice that together. Repeat after me. Hello, I would like to book a room.
Good. You can also say, hi, do you have any rooms available?
That's right. Available means a room is free.
And always smile. It makes the conversation friendly.
For example, hello, do you have any rooms available for tonight?
Perfect. See? Easy.
Next, the hotel staff will ask some questions.
Usually, they ask your name and dates.
For example, what is your name?
And you can answer, my name is Paul Smith.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. My name is Emily Brown.
Great. Next question. What dates would you like to stay?
You can answer, I would like to stay from November 20th to November 23rd.
Try it like me. I would like to stay from I date to I date.
Don't worry if your dates are different. Just say your dates clearly.
Now, the hotel staff might ask, what kind of room would you like?
Common answers are a single room for one person, a double room for two people, a twin room, two beds.
And if you want a nice view, you can say, I would like a room with a view, please.
Practice with me. I would like a double room, please.
Excellent. Small tip. Please is very polite. Always use it.
Next, you might want to know the price.
You can ask, how much is the room per night?
Repeat after me. How much is the room per night?
Good. And the answer might be, the room is $100 per night.
Then you can say, okay, I would like to book it.
Or, if it's too expensive, you can ask, do you have a cheaper room?
Yes, always polite, but you can ask.
Now, the hotel staff will confirm your booking.
They might say, can I have your credit card, please?
Or, your room is booked. You will check in at 2 p.m.
And you can answer, thank you very much.
That's it. You have booked your hotel room in English.
See? Step by step, it is not scary at all.
Here are some extra tips.
Tip 1. Always speak slowly and clearly.
Tip 2. Say please and thank you. Polite English is always good.
Tip 3. If you don't understand, you can say, can you repeat that, please?
That's a very useful sentence. I use it all the time.
Tip 4. Learn a few words about hotels. Words like room, bed, bathroom, key.
Exactly. Then you can understand more easily.
And tip 5. Smile. It's simple, but works every time.
Yes, a smile is universal English.
Okay, now let's practice together, learners. I will ask questions.
And you answer out loud. Don't just listen, speak.
Question 1. Hello. Do you have any rooms available for tomorrow? Pause for viewers to repeat.
Very good. Question 2. What is your name?
Question 3. What dates would you like to stay?
Question 4. What kind of room would you like?
Question 5. How much is the room per night?
Perfect. You did very well.
See, you can already book a hotel room in English.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
First, we greeted the hotel staff.
Then, we gave our name and dates.
Next, we chose a room.
After that, we asked about the price.
And finally, we confirmed the booking.
Plus, we learned polite phrases and useful tips.
Now you can practice in the comments. Write one sentence. I would like to book a single, double, or twin room.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful.
And share it with your friends who want to travel.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Yes. See you next time.
Bye!
Bye.